Hi everyone, welcome to HR Tech. Today I want to share a quick story from my office that will be a super handy Excel trick. One of our new intern asked me how to change the text to capital letters in Excel. Initially she thought it would be easy as it is in PowerPoint and Word, but couldn't find the Excel option. Then she manually retyped entire text. So for example, you can see in PowerPoint, just go here, change the whatever you want, uppercase or lowercase. Same way in Word, you can select the text whatever you want and you can change the format, lowercase or uppercase, whatever. But in the Excel, where is the formula? In Home, you don't have any option like uppercase or lowercase. So here you can see the tab formulas. So all the formula you can see here. For example, you are going to work on the text. Just click the text, all the formula you can find. It's very simple as like PowerPoint and Word. For example, I want to convert all the letters, all the text in the A column into caps. Just select the uppercase. So it will ask what is the text you want to change. Just select the text and enter. That's all. Here it is. If you want to see the what formula we given, you can check the upper. Same way I'm going to explain everything. Count of text. So what is the length? Select just length and enter. I want to convert into the lowercase. Just type lower and select. Create as a caps. So proper. Just make it as a proper and enter. For example, you want to select only 8 letter from left side. Select left and select the text, then 8, whatever number. I'm just selecting 8. So from left it will take only 8 characters. Same way for right. You want to just check the where is this R stands. For example, give find and find the text. What text you want? R. Then select the within text. So this is in 11th position that R is starting. You want to replace is. So replace what is the old text and where you want to start 11, because we found the 11 is the R. Just start and number character. So you want to change 11 to next 3 characters. Then just type new text R is. That's all. Here you can do all the text functions like as it is like a Word or PowerPoint. Substitute some words. For example, I want to substitute only O as a X. So I am selecting the text. What is the old? I am changing O into new as X. Another important function, text to column. You just select the text and click data and click data tab and select text to column. Delimited, just select the next. Then what, for example, in few data you will be having tab or semicolon, comma or whatever character where you want to split the text. I'm clicking space. Then I'm selecting, this is the column data format. If you suppose you want to change the format, you can select here otherwise you can ignore this. And one our last option, destination. If you have not selected this destination, so by default it will convert all the text whatever you selected the column there only. So better you always select where you want this text. Then click finish. That's all. The whatever text you want, it will be splitted. This is a very basic function. You need to understand how to use the text to column. So another function I am going to show. This is very simple. Many times we struck for the utilization of the function. Click insert, recommended chart, and clustered column. This is the basic function. Clicking data. For example, here I have two Priya. So I am not able to find out which Priya performed well. So here I need to add one more break line. For example, I want to add employee number. So what is the easiest way? Usually if you add autumn, it will show next to only. But I want in the break the line and it should come down the name. So I'm going to use simple method. I'll add one more column. I'm adding one column here and making a line break within the formula. I'm just selecting the name. Then this is the character 10. If you add, you will get automatically a line breakup. Then I am adding the employee number. That's all. Now same way I am going to insert a chart. That's all. So you got the name and the employee number below only. It's a very simple method. You can use it for example, sometimes data label you can add, but you cannot add the employee number same line. So this is the simple method to understand how to use the line break within the formula. Next we are going to learn the number into the text string. How to change this is the sales value we have. So how can we convert into the rupees? Just select the text and add whatever you want in within the text. Then select and make it as a use dollar function. This will convert the number into the price. So I want to 2 decimal. I'm selecting and enter. That's all. So I am attaching this Excel sheet for your practice. You can download from the description link and you can practice for yourself to utilize more. Flash fill. So this is without any formula. How can you use the flash fill? This is very common utilization. You may be seen in many times while using, but I am just explaining how to use very effectively. For example, I want to get only last name. I'm typing last name. If you type 2 letters, automatically it will show suggestion of the flash fill. This is like a flash. Within a second you will get the result. Same way I want to join this, the 2 first name and last name. I'm typing. If you type one text, automatically showing how to merge that both the first name and last name. Same way I want to create an email ID. For example, first name and last name first letter. I'm typing peter.t@gmail.com. then Sada save. If I click, automatically it will suggest under flash fill. So in many places you can use the flash fill. And one more case, for example, this is the different type of data. This is, for example, it is a product ID. You want the number only. For example, I want to extract only number. You can use a lot of functions. In flash fill, it's very simple. You are typing just number. Just it's learning from previous entry. For example, if you type 3, immediately you will get all the numbers. Yeah, these are the basic text functions. We'll learn deeper in another session. Thank you for watching. If really it helps you, means you share it to your friends and help them to do better performance. If you have any doubts, just give a comments. Based on comments, I will create a lot of videos. Thank you once again. We'll see you again.